Hi everybody! Today I am making posters and a little bulletin board. What you will need for this tutorial is this: a printable with little posters, a piece of cardboard, a wooden skewer, matches, wire or thread, a post-it, scissors and glue. If you don't have this printable, you can also print out some little pictures from the internet or cut out pictures from a magazine. Choose a picture you like and cut it out. On the top and the bottom we will connect a piece of a wooden skewer. Measure how long the skewer needs to be and cut it off. Put a little line of glue on the poster and stick the skewer on there. Let it dry completely. When it's dry, you can glue a piece of thread on the top, like I do here. Now I am making a little frame around this mouse portrait. I am using matches. Measure where you have to cut off the matches and glue it on the picture. If you like, you can paint the matches in a different color. We now continue with this little bulletin board. I used a picture of the bulletin board from our printable and glue it on a piece of cardboard. When it's dry, you can cut it out. To make it look like a real bulletin board, I stick a postcard on there and 2 tiny post-its, which I just cut out of a real post-it. Now you can decorate your mouse mansion with these new items. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the new videos. See you next week!